video, I'm going to go ahead and share with you how to create word art, and it's completely free and it can be done on Google Slides. So here I'm going to show you a number of samples that I've already made with the word welcome. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and create one with you. So I'm going to go to Insert and go all the way down and select Word Art. Okay, and then you're going to type in your text. So I'm going to say welcome again. Push Enter, and that's the default font. And I'm going to change the font to Chelsea Market. I'm going to adjust the size so it fits right in. And like I said, this is the default like border size and the colors. If you want to change the color, you simply go up here and change it colored that way. Now you can change the border color. So you can change the border color. You can change the border weight. Okay, so that's an example. I'm going to do another one. Insert, go to Word Art, and type in your text. I'm going to do welcome again. And this time, I'm going to change the font to Happy Monkey. I'm going to adjust the size. And this time, I'm going to go over here where it says Fill Color. I'm going to select Gradient. I made a few before, but I'm going to make one more. Over here, I'm going to select the color of my choice. I'm going to select, let's say, green. Select Add. And then I'm going to select this color, select Add. And then let's do this bright blue. Select Add. This color, Add. And then the final one, I'll do this color. So once I'm happy with that, I can change it to radial. And there's a number of different options. So that's center, top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right. And then you can select linear, so you can change the angle. So 0 degrees, 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 135 degrees, 180 degrees, 225 degrees, 270 degrees, and 315 degrees. I'll stick to 315 degrees. Once I'm ready, I'm going to select OK. I'm going to change the border color to white. And I want the thickness to be a little bit thinner. And there you have it. And if I want to format this a little more, then I'm going to select Format option. And I want to create a reflection by selecting that button. So these are just some fun, quick ways to make your words pop.